Okay, what were you just saying, Vitush? What were you saying? Yeah, did the fireman pick you up and put you in the fire truck? What a nice fireman. Thank you, fireman. Goodbye, fire truck. Bye-bye, fire truck.
Yes.
Yes? Yeah. Yes. What are you eating? Seaweed. And what did you just eat before?
Yes.
What else did you eat? Oh, you're going to eat rice. Yeah, we're cooking rice. What did you eat before? What else did you eat?
Peeps.
No, you ate tomatoes.
Hey.
Yeah, tomatoes from outside. How many did you eat? How many homegrown tomatoes did you eat? Was it 1?
Yes.
No. Was it 2?
Yes.
No. Was it 3?
Yes.
Yes, 3. You ate 3 whole tomatoes.
How about you doing?
Now you're... Huh?
1 yes. It's 1 body. Wow.
Wow. You ate 3 tomatoes. And now you're eating seaweed. Do you want more seaweed?
Yeah.
Yes. Here. Yeah, the fireman picked you up and put you in the fire truck. What a nice fireman. Thank you, fireman. Bye-bye, fire truck.
See the bush? See the bush?
Did seaweed fall on your pitush?
Yeah. That's it. Baba. Jangan mama bibab. Nak duduk. Jangan baba. Saja daud. Mama bibab. Apa saya dadat?
Can you sing Mary Had a Little Lamb? You've been singing that a lot recently.
But mommy, 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 mama, mommy, mommy, boo, yeah.
Yay.
What did you bruша?
Is there a tomato seed on your bruschetta?
What did you bruша? Yes, eating. What did you? Yes. Yes.
You want some rice?
Yes.
It's cooking.
Shoo-shoo.
Vidush, are you going shoo-shoo now?
No.
Oh, no.
Yappy. High top. Yappy high
Yeah, now I have to wipe the high chair.
top.
I guess you have been in here a long time. Oh, no. Well, I have to take you. Okay, can you say bye-bye, Vidush? Or rather, bye-bye, camera.
Awesome.
Bye-bye. Mwah. Bye bye.